In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and adjust a drop shadow effect. A clean drop shadow can add depth, focus, and polish to any element, whether you're working on a graphic, a button, or a piece of text. We'll keep things simple and precise, following a clear path so you can repeat it anytime without guesswork. First, direct your attention to the right side of your workspace. This is where most editors place the property or inspector panel, and it's the control center for styling what you see on the canvas. Take a moment to glance over the sections there so you're oriented. We'll be working in one specific area next. Now find the section labeled Effects. This is the area dedicated to visual treatments like shadows, blurs, and more. If you see it, great, you're in the right place. This section is designed to manage one or more effects. So it's normal if it looks like a small list with room to add new items. Click on the plus sign to add a new effect. That plus button is the trigger that tells the editor you want to apply a fresh visual treatment to your selected element. After you click it, you'll usually see a new effect entry appear, along with options to define exactly what kind of effect you want. Next, click on the dropdown that appears with the new effect entry. This dropdown lets you choose the specific effect type from a list. Different tools name things slightly differently, but you'll typically see options like shadows, inner shadows, and blurs. Make sure that you choose drop shadow. This is the standard shadow placed outside the edges of your element to create the illusion of depth and lift. Once selected, you'll see controls associated with that shadow, and you'll be able to see the shadow on your canvas right away. You can also adjust it. Look for settings like opacity to control how strong or subtle the shadow appears, blur, or size to soften or sharpen the edge, distance to set how far the shadow sits from the object, and angle to define the direction of the light source. Color can help match your brand or the scene's lighting. A slightly darker tone of your background often looks more natural than pure black. As you tweak each control, watch the canvas so you can judge the effect in real time. Small incremental changes usually yield the most professional results, and consistency across similar elements keeps your design cohesive. That's it. Right side, effects, plus sign, drop down, choose drop shadow, and adjust until it looks just right. With these steps, you'll have a polished shadow that enhances your work without overpowering it.